So, as they say, nothing's ever free. Performance comes at a cost, and it's having a clean. I done on top the other day. I'm cleaning the underside today. Way I clean it, got these little spray thing here, like a weed killer sprayer, garden sprayer. You pump it up, and you can be quite strategic about where you clean, and that does a cracking job. I been down the builder's yard. You get one of these plastic visqueen sheets, put that down on the garage floor. You can put your degreaser, brush your degreaser on. You can go over with the spray, and the little pump spray is a lot more controllable than the hose pipe and fairly high pressure to get the dirt off. And then when it's finished dripping, I'll drag the sheet out, fold the corners over, drag the sheet outside. I've still got a clean, dry garage floor, and a couple of days time, the car will be nice and dry, and I can start touching up the paint. Gearbox and stuff needs a little bit of a touch up, and just generally tidying it all up. There we go, living the dream, eh?